Good morning to you all, and welcome to our lesson for today. We thank God for giving us another beautiful week. So, this morning we have science. Yes, we have science, and we are still on our topic, simple machines. From the previous lesson, we learned that we looked at some simple machines that we have in the home, at the workplaces, and in the school. And then I showed you some real simple machines. Yes. And we also learned that machines or simple machines are devices used for working. And these devices make our work easier and faster. So today we are going to look at the uses of these simple machines, or what we use these simple machines for. All right. Before we go on, let's look at our learning objectives. This morning, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to mention the uses of some simple machines that we are coming to learn. Yes. So let's look at the pictures. The last time I showed you screwdriver, I showed you a hammer, and then a spanner. I showed you a scissors, and then I also showed you pillars, and then knife, and the only thing I couldn't show you was the wheelbarrow. Yes, which I know you know it very well. I also showed you a bottle opener. All right, so we are going to look at all the uses of these simple machines. I'll urge you all to take your science textbook and open to page 149 so that you follow the lesson very closely. All right. So the first item that we took was the bottle opener, and I showed you this one. There is also another one here. This a bottle opener. Yes. So the bottle opener is used for opening bottle tops. It is used for opening bottle tops. Bottle tops such as Fanta bottle, Coke bottle, malt bottles, Guinness bottle, and etc. etc. So instead of using our teeth to open the bottle, to make it easier, we use the opener to just flip it up. Very good. Now let's go to our next item. Now we talked about scissors. Scissors, yes, it is a simple machine used in the home. Also, it is also used by seamstress and tailors and barbers. Yes, so the main use of this scissors is used for cutting. The main use is for cutting. Yes, if you want to cut any paper or cloth, you can use the scissors. And I've told you that it is used by seamstress, tailors, and barbers. Yes, very good. Now let's move on to our next item. Now the wheelbarrow, which I don't have it here, and I know you have an idea about it. It is mainly used for carrying things. Yes, it is used for carrying things. And when you go to where they are constructing roads or they are building a house, you see the workers using the wheelbarrow carrying cement from one place to the other. All right. Our next object is spanner. A spanner. Yes, the last time I showed you a spanner. This is a spanner. Yes. And it is used for holding and turning bolts and nuts. So if you want to hold the nuts or the bolts, you just use it like this. So unfortunate that I am not able to demonstrate it very well. I wish we were in the classroom. But as I've told you, it is used for holding and turning bolts and nuts. Also, it is used to loosen bolts and nuts. Yes, if you want to loosen it, you can use it to lose it. And if you want to tighten it, you can also use it to tighten it. Very good. Now, our next object or item is a knife. A knife. Hold on. All right, so this is a knife. Yes, the last time I showed you a knife, and this one is used in the home. Yes, it is used in the home, and it is mainly used for cutting. It is mainly used for cutting things like cutting cabbage or cutting tomatoes, onions, and etc. etc. Good. So on our next object, we have pincers. The pincers, which I don't have it here, but when you look into the science textbook, you see the pincers is a machine used for holding and pulling nails out of a wood. Yes, it is mainly used by the carpenters. If they want to pull out a nail from the wood or an artwork that they are doing, they will just use the pincers to pull it out. All right. Now, on our next object, we have screwdriver. A screwdriver. All right, hold on. This is a screwdriver. The last time I showed you a screwdriver, yes, when you look into the book, you see the same thing then. And it is used for turning screws. The last time I showed you a screws. Yes, these are screws. Yes, if you want to tighten it or you want to loosen it, you use the screwdriver to do that. And this one is used by the mechanics, and it is also used by the carpenters as well. Yes. All right. On our next object, we have pliers. Yes, we have pliers. Sorry, this is a typing mistake. We have pliers, and it is used for holding things firmly. Hold on. It is used for holding things firmly. This is a plier. Yes, it is used for holding things firmly, twisting and cutting wire. Yes, and this one is mainly used by the electricians and the engineers. Yes, this is a plier. All right, let's move on to our next object, which is our last one as well. Hammer. A hammer. Now, this is a hammer. So the hammer is used for knocking a nail into a wood. Yes, it is mainly used by the carpenters. So if they want to knock a nail into the wood, they just do like this. They just do like this. Pack, 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 pack. Yes, and then they'll do the work nicely. So, learners, we are almost at the end of our lesson. So, what have we learned today? What have we learned today? We've learned about the uses of simple machines used in the home, the workplaces, and our school. Yes, these machines makes our work faster and easier. Yes. All right. So for your homework, you are going to mention 5 simple machines you have learned today. I'm going to mention 5 simple machines you have learned today and write their uses. I'm going to mention 5 simple machines you have learned today and write their uses. All right, learners, this ends our lesson for today. God willing, tomorrow we'll be back with science, RME, and maths. I'll urge you all to continue reading, because very soon we will have our 3rd term examination. All right, I wish you all the best. Stay safe, be good boys and girls. I'll see you once again. Take care. Bye-bye.